Okay, good morning, friends. Some people are missing. We'll take them afterwards. Now, through this meeting, we'll try to understand how our tool Bazaar indicators makes easy to understand the technical scenario. Many times, even without referring chart. Thereafter, we will refer how our tool helps in identifying the stocks in the beginning of the week and month with the help of yet another important scanner. But before that, let me declare that through this platform, I'm trying to educate and explain our clients using our technical tool Bazaar indicators. Further to this, I'm also declaring that I'm not carrying any position in the stocks which I'm going to explain. Now, let us begin to understand how our tool helps in showing the flow of sentiments. We'll move to main screen. अब ये जो फ्लो ऑफ सेंटिमेंट्स है से वो क्या है, ये जैसा मैंने बताया कि चार ट्रेंड है हमारी, तो फ्लो ऑफ सेंटिमेंट्स डिफाइन एज के पहले इमीडिएट ट्रेंड पॉजिटिव होता है, देयर आफ्टर समटाइम्स शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेंड पॉजिटिव होता है, एंड देन मीडियम टर्म ट्रेंड, फिर यस आफ्टर मीडियम टर्म ट्रेंड लॉन्ग टर्म हैविंग बीइंग डिफरेंस of huge, it may take time, but before that also there are some levels we need to verify. Now we will move to 20 तारीख को, it was the first day of immediate trend went positive, यानी immediate psychology positive हो गई थी after a huge downfall. Now thereafter, if you have noticed on 22nd, this has provided support. अभी मीडियम टर्म ट्रेंड कल भी स्ट्रगल हुआ, देन देयर आफ्टर इट सस्टेन. नाउ क्वेश्चन कम्स कि वे एपरेंट व्यू में हाउ आवर सॉफ्टवेयर हेल्प्स. So we'll go to first think of this 9453. This gets changed every day. अभी ये जो 9453 के साथ वीकेंड का चेंज हुआ है पिवोट, दैट इज 93 91, एंड अलोंग विद दिस अब ये जो नेक्स्ट मंथ चालू होता है यानी जून महीना, तो दिस 9328 ऑल्सो विल प्ले इंपॉर्टेंट रोल फॉर पॉजिटिव बायस. यानी हमें 9450 और 9325 का एक इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट मिल गया है. ऑन दैट बुल्स विल राइड. तो जब तक ये इंटैक्ट है तब तक हमारा बायस पॉजिटिव रखना चाहिए. एंड as far as hurdles are concerned, we'll have to see where it can go. But before that, see this medium term trend I am giving tremendous weightage. So not only on daily, we will refer weekly also. So weekly is still negative, and thereafter a gradual है कि भाई पहले वीकली पॉजिटिव या तो मंथली पॉजिटिव होगा, देन ओनली वी कैन बैंक फॉर ब्रॉडर बेस्ड पॉजिटिव बायस. तब तक ये डेली में बीआई लेवल्स 9860, ये जो 9860 जो है लेवल, दैट विल प्ले इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. यानी कि ये जो रिसेंट स्विंग था वो उसके बाद ही वी कैन थिंक ऑफ अनदर hurdle that is at 10,000 plus. Now this is how we can refer this portion. अभी ये जो ये मीटिंग है खास करके ये पोर्शन के लिए है. दिस इज बेसिकली बेस्ड ऑन कैंडलस्टिक, कैंडलस्टिक यानी ये जो प्रीवियस मंथ का हाइज एंड लोज है, उसके आधार पे वी हैव टू कीप ए ट्रैक इन कमिंग मंथ. तो apparently what it says, positive above this and negative below this. So for us these are the stop losses for buy and sell signal. Similarly, weekly PV, because it is a weekend, for next week it is not giving any signal. Now we will move to how we can identify the stocks based on this parameter. We'll go to lever report. So bull lever is positive with positive bias, bear lever is negative bias, and wait and watch is highs and lows, buy with the trigger and sell with the trigger. Now we'll go to folder and we'll try to find out which are the stocks triggered positive based on this logic. We'll process it. Bajaj Finance Service, then Bajaj Finance and Colgate. Now we'll go to Bajaj Finance. Let us try to understand. अभी यहां पे हम देखेंगे सी दिस पोर्शन बुल लीवर, यानी ये टारगेट बताता है 4692 एंड स्टॉप लॉस इज ऑल्सो वेरी फार एंड target is also very far. For that we will try to find out the nearest support. First we will see pivot. So this is greater than stop loss, so we will stick to this 4262 का stop loss रख के हम we can ride positive for this target. Then we will move to daily. अभी एक यहां पे क्या है, मंथली pivot again 4468, तो ये हर्डल है. बिफोर गोइंग टू 4692, it has hurdle at 4468. So how we will design it, how we will design the call, remain positive above this 4262 and then become aggressive above 4468 for the target of 4692. See how easily we are finding the call. For that we are not referring any chart. Basically our mission is positive, but as long as it is sustaining this support at 4262, this will get changed because it is still not month end. I mean it is month end, but date is not changed. On Monday, after updating Monday's data, this will be 4468 हो जाएगा ये. So we got this stock. Then now we will go to negative bias. Escorts. Let us understand that. यहाँ पे we have found out what negative bias यानी 882. अभी it is still not gone below this. See, when we refer this it says it is negative below 9115 and target is 808, but at present it is still positive as long as it is above 882 यानी वीकली पिवोट के ऊपर है तब तक ये पॉजिटिव रहेगा. द मोमेंट इट गोज बिलो दिस देन एग्रेशन फ्रॉम बेयर साइड विल कम. तो उसके लिए हम what we have to think is bias will be negative below this, and then let us understand daily. So once this, see, overall it is positive, but it has entered into corrective mode and it may test monthly pivot which is very far for next months. तो यानी 822 और जो यहां पे दिखाया 808 के टारगेट के लिए इट शुड ब्रेक दिस लेवल. तो आई कैन initiate the call, sell below this 882, and then my immediate supports according to daily parameters are 855, although that this bear lever will remain intact as long as it is below 915. यानी प्रीवियस वीक के हाई के ये जो 895 का हाई बना था लास्ट वीक का, उसके नीचे रहेगा तब तक ये नेगेटिव है. बट एग्रेशन विल कम आफ्टर 882, यानी थिंक नेगेटिव बिलो 882 एंड बिकम एग्रेसिव बिलो 855. ये जो 855 का स्टॉक लेवल है उसके नीचे जाने के बाद आवर मिशन ऑफ 822 and 808 will be triggered, but as long as 882 is intact one should take care in going short. But yes, here we can go for options trade, buy put of 855 or say our monthly pivot 822 or even 808. Now we will go to monthly parameters. Monthly में when I am referring फ्यूचर नियर मंथ, तो फ्यूचर नियर मंथ में पॉजिटिव बायस किसी में नहीं आता है. सो वी कैन इवन थिंक ऑफ मिड कैप स्टॉक्स कि मिड कैप स्टॉक में अगर मुझे पोजिशनल कॉल लेना है तो फॉर इन्वेस्टर ऑल्सो इट इज गुड एंड फॉर पोजिशनल ट्रेडर ऑल्सो गुड फॉर नेक्स्ट मंथ्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. तो विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट विच आर द स्टॉक्स बेस्ड ऑन दिस ट्रिगर्ड फॉर पॉजिटिव. तो देखिए बलरामपुर चीनी आया, टारगेट इज सजेस्टेड 126 एंड स्टॉप लॉसेस, बट स्टॉप लॉसेस अगेन very far. So we will try to know nearest यहां पे मंथली पिवोट नेक्स्ट मंथ में ये आएगा 95, यानी मंथली पिवोट के ऊपर है तब तक ये पॉजिटिव है एंड टारगेट इज सजेस्टेड 126. अभी इसमें भी वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हिच आर द स्टॉक्स सपोर्ट लेवल्स आफ्टर 95 98. This 98 95 is a very strong support as far as Balrampur Chini is concerned, and target suggested in lever 126. So what we have to initiate the call, buy or remain positive above 98 95 and go aggressive or add to the position after this hurdle at 105. ये जो 105 का हर्डल है यानी मीडियम टर्म ट्रेंड ऑन डेली बेसिस इज स्ट्रॉन्ग हर्डल, बट as long as 95 next month's pivot is intact, yes, we can think positive and become aggressively positive only after 105 for the target of 126, and when 126 is clear, it may go even up to 141. So Balrampur Chini apparent opinion is, as far as risk reward ratio is concerned, it is attractive, but more attractive after 105. In this, we have another script, Thomas Cook. यहाँ पे भी नेक्स्ट मंथ का पीवोट आएगा 2663 और टारगेट इज 34. अभी ये भी 2733 और 2650 के ऊपर है, तब तक ये पॉजिटिव है, यानी रिस्क 1-1.5 रुपए का, एंड वंस दिस मीडियम टर्म ट्रेंड इज क्लियर, इट मे गो अप टू monthly target, that is 34. Now we will go to bear. For bear, we have to naturally think of future near month folder only. Here we will try to find out India Bulls and TCS. अब ये TCS is very interesting stage. What we have found out? नेगेटिव यानी नेक्स्ट मंथ का जो पीवोट है 1972 उसके नीचे है, अभी क्लोजिंग इज बिलो दैट. देन व्हाट वीकली पीवोट सजेस्ट, that is also says ki it is trigger negative. As far as this weekly pivot and monthly pivot are concerned, it is negative. And strategy also suggests that it is indicating profit booking. Now in this TCS, as long as it is below this monthly pivot, fresh monthly pivot and weekly pivot, it is trigger for 1918. If this 1918 has gone, then we can think of this target. यानी ये heavy selling इसमें possible है if it goes below medium term trend. ये जो 1918 वाला टारगेट सपोर्ट है, we have to monitor it that. Now in this case, India Bulls also is triggered negative. उसमें भी मंथली पिवोट के नीचे ही है. बेयर लीवर यानी 91 का टारगेट इट इज डिफाइनिंग. देन वीकली पिवोट ऑल्सो सेज इट इज नेगेटिव, यानी 2-3 रुपए के नीचे we can think of negative bias, but more negative below 113. So this is how we can find out or identify the stocks based on candlestick. अभी एक और इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग है, that is in currency. See, in this currency, TCS will be endorsed if this currency doesn't go above 77. See what it says. Last month में it is triggered negative for the target of 70 to 80. जब तक ये अप्रैल महीने का लास्ट मंथ ऑल्सो इट इज फाइंडिंग हर्डल above 77 के नीचे है, तब तक खराब है. एंड डेली बेसिस पे इफ वी रिफर तो 75.30, अब ये 75.30 के नीचे गया तो और ये महीने का पिवोट ऑल्सो सेज कि 75.62 के नीचे गया तो इट विल trigger for 75.30, and after 75.30 heavy panic is possible in currency. If currency goes negative, that is below the medium term trend, then yes, TCS will be triggered for the defined target of 1600 something. So this is how, friends, our this lever report, which is based on candle, is working particularly during beginning of the week and beginning of the month. But it is not a regular basis. We have to run the report at the end of the, if we are running during the month or during the week, we have to change the date of weekend and month end. Fine. If anybody has queries on this, they can write to me, WhatsApp me. I'll try to solve their queries at later stage. Thank you. If you found this information was helpful, please select the like icon and subscribe for our channel. You may also share it with your friends. If you want any further information about our tool, call me on this number or write to me at info@bazarindicators.com. Thanks.